Hey, how's it going? Yeah, I picked up these LED T-8 tube lights. Got them on Amazon. These are 4 feet long. Got them for the garage. Picked them up through the LA King on Amazon. They're on eBay too. And then what you do, this is what you get. Get all your connectors. And you get your package with your clips. And then the only thing, the clips don't come with screws. I just use some drywall screws. And then you get these right here. These go on the end. So you can keep adding the tubes without keep adding wire. And then what I did is I used the one that comes with it. And then if you have any old wire with a plug right here, and you can splice it in. And then I already have one hooked up. I got a temporary right now. I want to put it in a box, make it a little bit neater. I figure I'd get them up and try them out. They're pretty bright. I have 3 hooked up, and here's 2 I got to finish hooking up. You can see how bright it is with just the 3. I'd like to get some for the basement. That would brighten it up, that's for sure. They're not expensive. I'll put in the description how much they were, and then a link through Amazon. And then if you guys can check them out. But I figure a little short video, something. These are a lot cheaper than going to the hardware store and getting their LED lights. So check it out, guys. Got any questions, comment, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. You guys have a good one. Later. Okay, what you do is screw them in. Get 2. They don't fall. I'm trying to hold this. And then you take this. Right there. It's on it. Clamp them right in. That's how easy they're to clamp on. Okay, I got 6 of the tube lights up. We'll see how bright it is. Oh yeah, brightens it up pretty good. Let's see if I can get out of the garage and get a better look. That's pretty good. That looks like they'll work out pretty good. Add some more on here and be set. Thanks.